got a package. Who's it from? Oh, yeah. Pro Tarot expansion pack. I'm going to end up having to make a box. Oh, cool. Let's see. Reach. Oi, up there. Okay. Oh, that's not the right one. Urban Crow. Duh. This is the other one. On the net. This is just the Crow Tarot. Urban Crow. Same person. Oh, why are you folding like that? Because now that's not. I hate it when the flaps go flopping inside. They make everything not work. Right. Up here being a pain. Inside flap is messing it up. Okay, that's not the one I wanted. That's just the regular Crow Tarot. Oh, the Urban Crow is up here. There we go. Urban Crow. Cool. So a new guide. Does it have just the new things? Yep, it's got the new thing. It's got the all the new Oops. Huh? Alley. Okay, let's see. And you know what? Let's. Oops, this has to go this way. Let's go like this. Oh, that's over there. This is a big box. Okay, here we go. Oh, come on, thumbnail. There it goes. Jeez. Sometimes this plastic is not so tough. And this box is the wrong box. Let's do something else. Let's use this instead. Put that there. That box is just too big. Okay, there we are. Let's see the backs to go with the backs from before. And so now we have trust. Trap. Strength. Stability. Rebirth. Rain. Open-hearted. injury, identity, forgiveness, fog, dreams. I just realized I didn't turn on my tunes, goofball. Dawn, creativity, choices, betrayal, alliance, alley, adventure, acceptance. That is going to be a nice addition to the regular deck, or the first oracle, the first deck. Cool. And I will figure out how to make this box work. What I'll probably do is take a piece of cardstock and make a little wall that makes it just a little bit taller, so I can put both the guidebooks in it. And for now, a sticker. A sticker. Oh, come on. There it goes. Cool. Just put that in there too. Go like that. I can make, let's see if I go. If I put one with the spine that way and one with the spine that way, it'll sit flatter. And there we go. That's good enough. I might put a big rubber band around it so it doesn't open up by itself. But yeah, cool. Stay safe, everybody. Peace. Love you all. Toodles.